Jana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're coming to you from Hollywood, California, and I'm with Naomi.
Hi guys.
Naomi's been working with me for a very long time. She is a lead associate photographer, which means that I send her out on jobs that I'm already booked for. She's an amazing photographer.
Wow.
Yeah, she's so
Thank
good.
you.
She's so great. So her Instagram is Naomi Creative. She also has a YouTube channel that's based on, mostly talking about makeup, which she's so beautiful, so that makes total sense. But today you guys and I am in for a treat. So a lot of my clients have been requesting blurry photos, which I think is sexy and it's cool.
Mm-hmm.
And you're the first person that came to my mind because Naomi's doing that already and it's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually called her and I was like, should we do a tutorial on it? But just to be completely transparent, I want to learn from Naomi.
Mm-hmm.
So today, what are you going to share with us today?
Okay, I'm going to teach you the settings on your camera on how to do a motion blur. And then if ever you forget to take a motion blur after a photo shoot, I can teach you on how to blur in Photoshop.
Which is awesome.
Yeah.
Because if you guys are already photographers, you know, it's like, whoa, the day goes by insane. It's so crazy. So then, what she was saying, if you get home and you're like, man, that would look cool blurry, she's going to show me and you how to do that in Photoshop, which I'm super thankful.
Jana and I are storytellers, so if you do a motion blur in some of your pictures, it actually adds a little drama.
It sure does. It's sexy, it's cool, it's current, it's neat. And you got to say current.
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's do it.
Okay.
So here are my settings for motion blur. ISO 100, I put a question mark because it depends on your lighting situation. If you need more light, then you already know what to do. My aperture is f7.1. That's my go-to aperture for this kind of shoot or this kind of shot. As you can tell from the picture, the subjects are moving, they're blurry, but then the background is still sharp. The buildings, the cars and everything. And for shutter speed, just play around with 1/30 or 1/20. And for reference, the lens that I use for this shoot or this shot is 50mm 1.2. I'm going to give you two options on how to edit or achieve a motion blur in Photoshop. Obviously, open the picture, go to filter, pick blur, and then motion blur. Those are my go-to numbers if ever I want to use the motion blur for my picture, but this is not my favorite. The second option is my favorite. So you go to filter again, and then pick blur, and then pick radial blur. I play around with numbers 5, 6, and 7, and I pick zoom and then good. And then the box on the right side, you can actually move it. So that's it. I hope this helps, guys. And again, the second option is my favorite. So this is the before, and this is the after.
So that was awesome. We would love to know in the comments what you think about that video, and if you want more editing videos and things like that. Yeah, we just appreciate you being here, and I appreciate you very much.
Aw, thank you.
Don't forget to follow Naomi. She is so great, a great person and a great photographer.
Aw, thank you guys. Thanks, Jana.
Stay inspired.